Happy birthday, peace and justice. Bright suns, rising moons, till the spires. Waiting in the rain in the junkyard. Nothing to see here. Nondescript. Can't tell the stormtroopers what's going on.
Head to the left and keep your credential cards on the table, my friend.
I'm just with her.
Welcome to the workshop. I know it seems a little, or a lot, but to us, this is everything. I see you've already met the gatherers. Please introduce yourselves. Jacob.
Sarah. Courtney. Kate.
And you may call me Kevin. Now to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of this is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Now we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, very good. What she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead, well, and to build this, a lightsaber. Lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin, shall we?
Yes.
Yes. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. Blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Master Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes with me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? In your mind, select your crystal, and remember, it may well be that the crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and select your crystal. Very good. You've all selected your crystal. Now please place them in the green crystal holders in front of you. It's now time to pair your crystal with the unique saber design you have chosen. We will begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated. Every lightsaber is unique, and in these trays are each unique component that you have chosen. You'll find the chasm, the emitter, the pommel caps, grips, and the activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select each part that makes up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you should you require assistance. Are we ready? Let's build!
Right, sons, everybody. My name is Kate, and I'm going to be guiding you through this build process today. I'm pretty new. It's a very fun part. You should be able to spin around. Did you test it? Yeah. Alright, does everybody have that? It's alright. It's the hardest part. And you're going to line up the red sticker. This is part of your process, but sometimes I handle them very often. Alright, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go all the way over to box number 5 and pick a set of activation plates. You're going to turn that over the squares, blue with blue, red with red. They'll be on the side of your chassis. Once you have chosen your activation plates and got those set in, you're going to combine your grips. Have 2 of 4 to choose from.
Can you pick one from here and one from here?
They only work as a
Together,
set.
okay, gotcha.
Sets. Yeah. Blue, blue, red, red. Look on the inside.
Red on red. Should be on the side of your chest.
One of my
Blue,
here.
blue, red on red, yes. So,
Okay, gotcha.
yeah, just like that. Blue on blue, red on red.
Yeah, I see it now.
Made a noise?
Yes.
Alright. Once you've got your activation plates in place, you can choose 2 of 4 grips. Those are boxes number 1 and 2. You'll do the thicker side towards your activation plate, like 1 and 2. You'll put the
Now
thicker
those
side
can mix
towards
and
your
match.
activation plate. You'll apply a little bit of pressure and twist. Okay. Alright, you're actually going to turn it around.
The wide part goes down at the bottom.
Good. And remember though, the gas goes towards the middle. If you have a like you said that, you're just going to go towards You're going to apply a little bit of pressure and twist. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Once you've chosen your grips, you can go ahead and take your emitter. That is the part that your blade is going to come out of, so it's going to go on top. One on each side.
Your bottoms.
We'll choose your emitter. That's the part that's going to go on the very top of your hilt. And it's the same way as with the grips, just a little bit of pressure and twist. And then once again with your pommel, that's going to go on the bottom of your hilt. That's going to finish it.
No, that's a
Apply a
top
little bit of
piece.
pressure and twist.
So
It has to be one of these.
Finish with your hilts. You can place them on the holder right in front of you.
okay, And so then we could.
You choose your emitter. That's going to go on the
Emitter?
top part where your blade comes out of. The emitter.
And these are
So your
pommels?
blade will come out of it. Pommels, yep. That's what I'm here for. Alright. Are you satisfied with that? May I? This is how you're going to activate it.
Down the end of a lightsaber. Great line.
Awesome.
Aha. Complete. May I? Thank you. Did you have a hand in this one, Kate?
It was all in there.
I like these pieces. They have a nice little finger hold there while you're holding it. It's not just the blade that'll do damage. Good. That's it. You place your lightsabers back in the hold as if you would. Thank you very much for this. I congratulate you all on some beautiful builds. Well, everyone has completed their builds. And nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I will ask you all, please, to take a step back away from the table. Gatherers. We will now begin stabilizing the crystals for activation. This must be done by people with great skill, care, and experience, of which the gatherers are plentiful. A single inverted emitter, cracked crystal, faulty power cell, and we can lose yet another workstation, or I can have a nice new skylight to finish that one. We won't talk about that one, will we, Kate? Thank you. Very good. Once again, I do commend you on the quality of your builds here. Your personalities really are shining through in how you see yourself represented within the Force. Well done, everyone.
Many parts there were now joined they are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, you will all take a step forward. Place your hands on your hilts, and together we will activate for the very first time. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Then step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsaber. Well done.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you will it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present a saber sheath for you as you depart. Our journey is at an end, but yours is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time you may be telling your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Swing it, come on. Now turn it off.